Okay, it is Monday morning. I was late. Sorry, I'm spanking myself later. And this is my first patient of the day after I've done my rounds, and it turns out that it's our buddy's leg in here. Our Cockatiel actually had the left proximal tibial fracture, and it's actually healed pretty well. Got a good callus. So we took off the modified timeless extension splint that was made for birds, and you can actually see here that he's resting it. The good news is it's not too painful. He's not chewing at it, but over the next few days he'll start to use it more, hopefully. Okay, if all goes well. Anyway, so it's hard to do an initial intervention, neurological exam on one of these guys in the beginning because they won't tell us exactly how it hurts or why. But at the same time, as long as there wasn't a nerve damage, we should be getting it back. I think he feels it because when I was playing with his toes, he was screaming at me. I've heard cussing first thing this morning. But anyway, so far so good. We just after about a week, and he starts using that foot, then you start adding his toys and his bars back in his cage, and then we'll take it from there. Give me a call in about a week. Let me know how he's doing. Okay. All right. Semi-released from care. Later.